Welcome back guys, Crypto channel. Today we'll like to talk about a StakeStone STO USDT trading pair with my customer Chris, zones of interest. Alright guys, so yesterday this token listed on the Binance, but we have to analyze the oldest chart. So this is not a brand new token. This token already like 1 month exists. On KuCoin, on a BitGet, on a Max, on the SGX, and this is an indication accumulation pump model for this token based on the KuCoin, zone of interest. And guys, I a million times explained to you, the Binance listing, if the token already exists on other platform, it's in 90% cases not a bullish even, right? Can we hit the new all-time high? Yes, guys, we can. We can hit even the $1 because now the circulation supply is 225 million tokens. So even with a $1 price at this current moment with this current circulation supply, it will be just a low cap token. But the market cap now 45 million, FDV 200 million, and we got a vesting schedule, we got a fundraising rounds, and take a look. The interesting moment, the undisclosed round was over a year ago in March 2024 from the Binance User Labs. Undisclosed round when they raised it 22 million in November 2024, and now this token listed. Anyway, I think we can see some seller pressure now or later, you know, definitely because of the guys who get their tokens so early, definitely they can distribute their bags step by step, and so you have to be careful. Take a look, the intention accumulation pump model will land it only to 0.23 BFIB. On the KuCoin. On KuCoin, I used the KuCoin because it was the lowest point of the listing, 1 cent. Zone of interest based on this model, how to work with this model, highly recommend you go and check free educational video. It's 3 cents 96, 3 cents 26, 2 cents 26, 1 cent 82. So this is a zone of interest. In validation of this idea, if the token dump on the listing price. So it's not necessary, so we will drop now to that zone of interest, but you can, like example, open the chart of Celestia. You know, Celestia hits the 23 BFIB, going higher, and after that, after a few months, you know, landed back to the even to the best zone to buy here. And Celestia was $20, dump it to $3. So guys, never say never. This is a candle on the Binance listing, you know, and yes, definitely we can see some sweep of the high, and for example, dump to 3 cents to 4 cents to 2 cents, for example. It's more than real to see. That's why, guys, if you think, oh, it's not a big deal from this current prices, it will be just 84% dump. No, guys, it's a big deal because to out at the break even, the token should pump 500%. So that's a big differences, you know, and a big mistake from newbies, you know, when they think the token dump only 80%. To recover back at break even, the token should pump back just at your break-even price, 500%. That's the point, guys. I don't see any reason for continuation now, you know, because now it's in May, because now it's a listing on the Binance, and of course, yes, we can go higher, even to the $1, I repeat, but it's personal for me, it's not a good risk reward entry now. Good entry was at here. At 5 cents. From the 5 cents, this stock can pump it, for example, like 400%. So definitely somebody who accumulated here on a daily time frame, you know, we traded here a few days. Now they could fix a profit on the Binance. So just in case, guys, it's only up to you. Accumulate now or not, it's only up to you. I skip this token. Maybe if the token will dump to 3 cents to 2 cents to 1 cent, maybe I will take a look for speculation. Let's take a look with my customer Chris, guys. What's going on now? Let's hide the FIB. This one, zone of interest. You know, here. This is definitely a free on a daily direction with the top. This is not a bottom. So, guys, of course, we can go higher. We can trade a long-term period here, for example, at the top. But this is not a like accumulation zone. Accumulation zone should be here. Accumulation zone should be here. So just in case, and it should be the capitulation. It's on a daily time frame, on a weekly especially. So I don't have any good news for you. We can back definitely for this video later. Money power here, how the whales fix a profit. 1, 2, 3 days in a row, money fixation. And a listing on the Binance. So now we're at the top. Time to accumulate a token can be here. I don't see any reason for accumulation now. Trade on, guys. Sell, drop, listing price on the Binance. So Nothing new. Listen on a KuCoin at 23 by FIB, sell, 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 drop. Now nothing. No signal to buy, no signal for accumulation, nothing. So can we go higher? Yes, of course, we can form the 1, 2, 3 drives pattern and after that land. So pretty simple, guys. But conclusion is now it's not a, personally by my personal opinion, it's not a good time for accumulation. 12 time frame, take profits, no data. 4 time frame, we trade way over exit line. Buy line for this token, it's 8 cents 31 on 4 time frame for the while of this token, 6 cents 43. So guys, all targets you know, and zone of interest I marked it before. We will come back to this video later. If you would like to trade with my customer cassette, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM, subscribe, chain, his like button, his notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.